Binance.com, create yourself an account there, put in an email and password. You can slide the puzzle piece to confirm you're human, put in the verification code you got by your email, and you're ready to get started. Next thing you're going to do is go at the top where you see your icon. Once you have that drop down menu, you're going to want to go to dashboard. Once we're there, we have a security verification. We'll do a phone verification here, input the phone number, and then once that's done, we'll get a verification code by text. And now the phone number is enabled, so it is set up with Binance. You'll be able to use it for verification and when you want to do withdrawals, things like that. If we go back to our dashboard, well, we see that we have no balance at this point. But let's get set up so that we actually will have some tokens. So if you want to have a deposit, in this case I'm showing you how to get a deposit where someone else is sending you some funds or you're sending it from another wallet that you may have. So you're going to select USDT as your coin. Your network is TRX. TRC20, and you're going to see your address come up there. That is your deposit address in Binance. So you can copy that, and like I said, if you are having your money sent to you from someone else, or if you're sending it yourself from another wallet you may have, that's the address you're going to want to use. We check our fiat and spot. This is basically the balance we have in our wallet. Right now there's nothing. So if we refresh, we see that we had an amount of $100 deposited into the wallet. So we'll be able to use that for certain things that we're going to need. Namely, to start, we're going to want a gas fee, some BNB, which we'll get to in a minute. I'm going to show you how to get set up on Telegram. So if we go to telegram.org/z, you'll have had to have gotten Telegram already on your phone. Once you have it, you can scan the QR code and then it'll be authorized on your computer as well. So first thing we do is search for DGP trading platform. And if we go for /start, we're able to get started with our menu here. We're going to go to exchanges. We'll see we have Binance. And these are our settings for the moment. We see that we have yet to set an API key and API secret key. So we see the instructions for what to do to set up an API key. Let's get that done in our Binance now. So if we go to our profile options and we go to API management, we need to give a name for our API key. In order to do this, we'll need to verify our phone number and email. Now we have our API management available to us, and we have an API key and an API secret key. We want to check out enable spot and margin trading. Make sure that's checked off, and the enable reading will also be checked off. Again, you're going to need to verify your phone number to do this. So once you get the code, you're allowed to check that enable spot margin trading, and we'll input our API key to start. So set API key. It's actually /set API key. Case sensitive, so be careful with that. And then space Binance. And then we'll copy our API key, paste it in, and enter. So successful. We now have our API key set, and now we'll want to set our secret key, as we see that that is still not done. So we can copy that or type it in. Let's copy the secret key. So set API secret, space Binance, space the key, and it's successful. So now we're set up connecting Binance to the trading bot. We search for WizCulp, again case sensitive, and we have the DGP trading platform as well as WizCulp, both important to have here. In the DGP trading platform, we see our API credentials are valid, and we see the settings once again. Rebuy, we'll set it to 1. This is the recommended setting. Recommended setting for rebuy percentage will be 5. And for our cancel order, we'll set it at 20 minutes. Because this is a trial, the maximum amount of max signals we can have is 3. So we're good to go. Well, we can set how much we want to risk in every trade, basically. So if we do /set per buy space Binance space USDT, we'll make our buy price at $20. So if we input that, our current settings still show 0. But if we go back to the main menu and back to the per buy limits in Binance, we see now the current settings USDT is at 20. So every trade you make, you'll be putting in $20 in USDT. Next, we're going to want that gas fee I was telling you about, which is in BNB. So we see right now we have a total of 100 USDT. That's how much we have available according to our trading bot. So already we see that the Telegram and Binance are linked through the API. Now we're going to do a convert. We're going to send 20 USDT to BNB. We'll convert that right away. We now have 80 in USDT and 0.0637, etc. in BNB. So that's actually every time a trade goes through in Binance, Binance is going to take some of that BNB amount to pay for the trade, a trading fee basically. And we see, again, if we check our balance, that we have 80 USDT and 0.0637 in BNB. If we now hit set connection, we'll wait a few seconds and then we'll see our ID appear. This will be our ID that we're going to use, and there it is. And if we go to main menu and algorithms, we go to main menu and my account, well, we see our information there and the algorithm's activated. If ever you wanted to see how your coins are doing, your trades, you can go to report, export to Excel. Once you download that, you'll see that an Excel spreadsheet will generate, and you'll see all the trades you have, how many are in profit, how many in loss, and your total profit.